Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're back at it at the Silverado. So today we're getting ready to get painted. So pretty much we want to paint the parts, so we got to do a lot of prep work. So we got the bed in the back of us, so we got to strip it down. If we find any dents, we got to fix them. But pretty much we're going to tear it down, we're going to sand it, scuff it, and get it for paint. Also we got all the other little parts we got to paint, like the tailgate. We're going to do fender flares, so we got to get those sanded down. We got a lot of things. So hopefully today we're going to knock out all of the prep work, all the sanding, and get it ready for paint. So let's get straight to it. Okay, so just like that, we got everything taken apart. It's looking really good, but we got a lot of trash everywhere, so we're gonna wash it off, and we're gonna use some scuff stuff to kind of clean it up, get the surface ready for paint, and we're also gonna DA it. So let's get straight to it. Let's start washing it, scuffing it, and sanding it. Okay, so just like that, we got it all sanded down, and we used the DA to block it down, and it's looking really good. And we also did the tailgate. So tailgate, it blocked away really nice. It didn't go through, we didn't sand through or anything, so that's really good. The next step we want to do is work on the fender flares. So we're just going to work on the rear ones for now, because we'll paint it with the bed, and we're going to do the rear bumper. It's a lot of work. Let's keep sanding. So there we have it. We got the little centerpiece that we're gonna paint red. We got it all sanded down. That took a lot longer than I thought. And we also painted these little, or we sanded down the little things that cover up the headlights. Next thing I wanna do is sand down the front bumper and the mirrors. Let's get straight to it. All right guys, so just like that, we got everything sanded down. It turned out really well, and now it's time to paint. So we got everything in the paint booth that we're gonna paint, and it's really tight in here. So we're gonna have to be careful with the hose and everything like that. But hopefully we can paint everything at once so everything's gonna match nice and easy. And then when we paint the cab, we don't have all these little pieces around, and it's gonna turn out really good. So I already wiped it down. Let's tack cloth it, put some sealer down, and get straight to painting. So there we go. We got the base down. It turned out really good with about 6 coats of base, and then we got 5 coats of pearl. It's looking really good. I'm really liking the color. I'm waiting for it to flash so we can put the clear on, and then the color should pop a lot more. Definitely leave us a comment down below. Was this the right color to go with? I definitely think so. It's looking really good, and tomorrow we're gonna see what it looks in the sunlight. But let's get back to work. Let's get some clear coat on this thing and finish it up. So there we go, we're just like that, we are done. We got 2 coats of clear on it. We're gonna let this sit overnight and we can check it out in the morning, but I love it. It's looking really good. Definitely, once we painted it, it's even looking better than I thought. So I'll see you guys in the morning and we'll check out the progress. All right guys, so it's the next day, and unfortunately it's raining, so we're definitely not gonna put these parts outside. We're gonna let it sit, but it turned out great. I'm super happy about it. Pretty much next time we're gonna start working on the cab. But unfortunately, that's all the time we got today, so we'll catch you guys tomorrow.